everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth, and today we're going to check out the October Birchbox. If you are not familiar with Birchbox, this is their, I want to say, third or fourth relaunch. So it is a box that used to come out back when Ipsy was $10 a bag. Sephora had the Sephora Play bag for $10, and you could also get Birchbox for $10. And they came in super cute little boxes, actually. I just happen to have a bag of my extra boxes here I'm about to put in the attic, but these are some of the original Birch boxes. I have a bunch and I'll use them for a ton of stuff. These are great boxes. Some of them still have the flyers from what we used to get. What did we get in this Birch box? In this Birch box, and this was when it was $10, we got a Benefit mascara sample. We got a Derma E Hydrating Night Cream. We got a Lipstick Queen lip liner, and we got an MD Solar Sciences mineral tinted cream and an Oribe plumping mousse. So that was in this box. So got some good samples back then for our 10 bucks. I remember they were mostly teensy tiny, but we got a fun box and that made it all better. So I miss the boxes. I still have a ton of them. So if you guys want to walk down memory lane with me in Birch boxes, let me know. I can handle that. Now we get them in this box. It is reusable if you want to. It's just a standard folding box, and it does say Birch box. And now it did start off with this launch. They were $20 a box. The first box was garbage. I was so mad at it. I didn't like it. It was just tiny samples for $20 for basically what you get in Ipsy for their $15, $17. So they now are $25, but over the past several months, they have improved their contents. You're getting better products. You get full control over what you get. There's a ton of choices, so you get to choose every product that you do get. But again, $25 now, so that puts it in the same price category as Allure. And I don't know that it is as fun for me as Allure. Truth be told, I have canceled my Birchbox subscription. This is the last one. So unless I start seeing something about it that makes me want to resubscribe, this is going to be it for me in Birchbox. I just didn't like the price increase, and the products were not as exciting to me and things that I really want or use. So I didn't keep it. So this one does feel really full. We got a Pout Perfection something on here. We got, it always comes with a card, and it has a thing that you can scan to see what's in your box. And it has some information, maybe for some what's in here. It's not always what's in the box, but this is a nice feeling brochure that they send you. It's not a cheap little thin thing, but you can see a great box in here. You can choose from full-size products now as well as sample sizes. So I don't even know where to start. I'm going to start. And these are all products that I picked. I did pick. So, I mean, $25, I did get my money's worth out of this box. And this might be one of the better ones. I may regret my decision to cancel it. And who knows, maybe after the first of the year, I'll restart it. But I can't wait to see what's inside this very last, possibly, Birchbox with you guys. We have the Green Frog Botanic Shampoo Bar. And this has argan oil and rose oil in it. And this is just, I've never used a shampoo bar. It looks like it's got some good ingredients in it. I don't even know this brand. It says it's from the UK, so smells good through here. It smells amazing. I can smell that rose oil. So this is a good size bar. I don't know how many uses it's intended for. The instructions is wet your hair, swirl the shampoo bar between your hands and over your hair to create a lather, massage into your hair and rinse. So as kind of a good size chunk of soap. I would hope you get more than 1 or 2 uses out of it, but we'll find out. So that is my first item out of my bag. The next one is, I didn't realize it was 2 things, but these are Manacadar. Were these eyeshadows? Oh, okay. These are Manacadar color singles, and these are for this one is for brow, eye, and cheek, and this one is for blush. So we got a contour eyeshadow, eyebrow color, and we got a blush. These are actually really pretty colors. This is a nice rosy color, and this is a great little taupey color, which would be a great contour color and or eyebrow, everything for that one. So good little samples. Not actually, these are probably full size. Any of these that I can find the prices for, I'll put in the corner. I can't remember if these were full size or not, but I'll try to find out. My next one is from Pierre, and this is a lip oil, and this is the color I got it in. It's a pretty peach color. And, ooh, actually it's not at all like that color. This is just a pink color lip oil, and it looks like it's a roller ball applicator, which it is. There's not an applicator wand, it's just a roll-on. A nice Pierre lip oil. Oh, the next one, it says Birchbox. I'm like, what is it? You guys, I put in these choices over a month ago, and I don't remember what I picked. So I had to go through and look at when I got my notification of delivery, it actually shows you the products. And I'm like, I didn't pick any of that stuff. And then I went back to I always do a screenshot after I do my pick so I can remember what I got. Sure enough, I picked all these things. So this means that some of these choices were the best of the options. This is a Jade Roller from a Birchbox brand Jade Roller. And it does feel really nice. It is a short-handled roller. It is a nice, you can feel, I mean, both parts are nice and cool, so that's going to be great. Oh, that really does feel good. The last one of these I got was actually from Temu, and it was plastic, and there's no point in that at all. So this is a nice, it's got some nice weight to it, but it is your standard Jade Roller. My next item I picked is an Orib Dry Texturizing Spray. I've used this product before and I really like it. I've actually got a texturizing spray in right now. I don't remember what brand it was, but I got it thinking FabFitFun. But this is just, it's going to have a nice spray. I'm not going to just spray it because there's not much in here. But this is a nice texturizing spray from Orib. I actually really like texturizing spray with my hair right now. I'm dealing with it not being as thick as I would like it to be right now. And texturizing spray helps me get a little bit more volume, especially when I do it straight like this, which I don't very often. But it helps it give me some lift and some volume without weighing down my hair. So texturizing spray. Our last one, I saved the biggest one for last. The last one is a Salt and Stone Bergamot and Hinoki Cream. So this is a body lotion, and I really like bergamot, and I do not have a clue what Hinoki is. I think that's what it is, H-I-N-O-K-I. I'm going to put it up so you guys can see. Salt and Stone Bergamot and Hinoki body lotion. So this is a lotion, and this is a really nice size. This is a 7-ounce size. I must smell it. Ooh, that smells nice. So this is just a hand lotion, body lotion, 7-ounce size. Again, I think this one did have, I'll put the prices in the corner so you guys know what the values of these would be. But this was a really good box. It was, again, $25. I can recommend it for the value, for the choice options. You get a ton of them. It just, even though this box is amazing and it has a lot of great products, I would not seek out any of these products on my own. And it's just probably a lot of it is I use different kinds of shampoo. I get a ton of lip oil from other places. I got lotion, stacks and stacks of lotion I don't need anymore. So these are not things that I'm super excited about, even though they're really good. So obviously you're getting your money's worth for the $25 subscription price in here. And if you want to check it out, I will leave the link below. There is I think there's some discounts for your first box. I actually did get an email today if I want to resubscribe to get 20% off, probably just one box. So that's $5. So still it's something. But again, I probably will not resubscribe until maybe the beginning of the year. But Birchbox for October. Again, super great products, full box. Definitely worth your money. I encourage you to check it out if you like this kind of stuff. If you do like this video and would like to see more content like this, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit that notifications bell so you don't miss out on future uploads. For now, I want to thank you so much for joining me on Beth Unboxes and hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.